First we're going to go ahead and light the torch. We put the torch tip here and push down, and then just easily push forward on the knob, and then I'm going to turn it down to about there. Then we're going to come over with the heat and just heat up the copper. So I'm going to go in circles around the metal until it heats up and starts to change color. There it goes. You see the color change. I'm going to turn off the torch and squirt a little bit of flux onto the ring there so that we can solder. And then I'm going to take some hard solder, just one little piece, doesn't take a lot. I'm going to place that right here on the ring, on that seam there. And I'm going to light the torch again, pushing that in until it starts. Bring in the heat slowly. And again, go back in a circle, heat that up, and then I'm going to take that flame up underneath, back and forth across the seam, and we want to pull that solder so that it flows through. So we're bringing it towards the heat. There it fell. And then I'm just going to come back in and see if I can get some of that solder to the other side. There we go. Turn that off, and then when I go in and zoom in, you can see I've got solder on both sides here, runs across both sides. So I'm going to take that, unclamp it, and then I'm going to quench the ring, and you can see that the ring is now soldered, and I can bring up that piece there. Perfect.